Say hi, Sam.
No. Say hi, Glenn. Hey.
How did I make that look good?
Go back to the photo.
Right here?
No, the other photo.
You mean this?
No, the real photo.
The real photo.
Say hi, Sam.
Okay, guys, so today's video is gonna be on trains.
Just drag the window onto one side of the screen. All the way to the left.
Holy
And all the way to
crap!
the right. Man, he is... Alright. Up where it says studio, that line. And then, not that. Just the blank space to the left. And then click and drag until you hit the left side of your screen. All the way over. All the way over.
Saddest part of the show, cleanup time.
This, oh my
All the way
god.
over. And now we'll release the button. Hit it and then release the button. Hit the left side of the screen.
Hold on,
Come
I'm
on.
laughing too.
Oh dear.
Hi.
Hi, Sam.
Click, drag, now release the button. There you go, and now hit that. Yeah!
Yeah.
I'm learning new things about computers.
How would you not know how to click and drag?
I don't know.
Say hi, Sam.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Say hi, Sam.
No. What do you think, Glenn?
I'm gonna cringe so hard on that video now.